Hello guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, simplifying QA for freshers. So today's question is, what is a defect life cycle? So short answer, a defect life cycle shows the stages a defect goes through from detection to closure. For example, the defect when assigned is called in new stage. Defect is identified and assigned to developer. Then developer works on and resolve the issues, means defect is open to fixed. Then QA confirms, fix and closes the defect, then it will be in reset to verified and verified to closed. If not fixed properly, it will be reopened. Helps track, manage and resolves bugs efficiently. So hope you understand the defect life cycle. Master QA concept with us. Subscribe for more Java Python Interview Hub. We'll meet in the next question. Thank you very much guys.